Hey guys, I'm the Asia Lorraine and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a chit chat. Get ready with me. We're going to put on some makeup, sip our Red Bull, chit chat about long distance relationships, talking off friends, business, about me working out, manifesting, and my life goals. So if you want to see more of this video, keep on watching and also subscribe to my channel. Come get ready with me, and yeah, let's do this. Okay guys, so I just did my eyebrows off camera. I don't really like doing my eyebrows on camera because for one, it takes me a very long time. I just want to do something simple and simple. Before I get done talking about the topics, you guys about this primer, let me know if you guys tried this primer before. I never like tried it. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know if it's like the milk, because I love milk primer. I feel like primer is primer really, because this primer freaking sucks. The Benefit Pro, I'm gonna throw this away actually. It's like the texture and like it's clay. I just don't like it. Goodbye. I do recommend Milk Hydro. Well, first of all, I just want to explain who I am. A lot of people probably don't know who I am. Is Asia. My middle name is Lorraine, but like I like to put them together. It's like Asia Lorraine. I started YouTube like 3 years ago or something. Off and on, like I would post for like 2-3 videos for like a whole year and then stop in like the next year. But like I just realized, you know, YouTube is like for me, I feel like. So California, raised, born in California. What else? I'm 20 years old. I turned 21 February 4th. If you're happy to turn 20, trust and believe, sis, it is nothing. Like, I don't know, something about being 20, it's not really all that. I never really care about my birthdays. My birthdays is, for me, it's like another day. So I never really do anything on my birthday. I think when I turn 21, it's gonna be popping. I have plans that I want to do for my birthday, and I just hope it just goes how I want it to be. I feel like 21st birthdays are like a really big deal actually. You get into clubs, like you could drink legally, you know. Not saying that I never drunk, you know. I'll tell you guys that I do when I go to Las Vegas currently in a long distance relationship. We've honestly been going like on off and on, you know. We're just gonna keep it real. Let's just keep it real here. Like when you talk about someone you like, you start to blush, and it's like how I am right now. Why I'm getting ready right now is because we have a virtual date. You know, since we can't really see each other in person, sadly. So he's the one planning, I'm the one eating, so it's all good. We have seen each other in person before. He used to live in California, but now he's back in New York. Did visit him in New York in springtime, and girl, let me tell you, New York, snowy, very cold. Honestly, don't see myself living in New York. You know, when you're in Cali, you're just so used to the sun, a little bit of coatness, but like not too cold to the point where we had to wear coats. That doesn't mean like I would visit. I would definitely visit New York, like if I was like really rich here and there. Let me know in the comments below if you ever been in a long distance relationship. How did it work out for you? To hear everyone's opinions on it. Anyways, I'm going to go in with my Fenty contour stick and espresso. Next topic we are going to talk about people out of my life that I don't really associate with anymore. I just realized that I want friends who have the same goals as me and need, and I just feel like it's okay to like block people you don't really see ratio towards you. By the way, I love the friends, my girlfriends that I have right now, and like block off people who I just don't see myself being in my life, which is okay. I'm about to be 21 and I just need to figure out the people who I see myself being in my life. And don't take it the wrong way. When have we talked? When have we talked? You feeling too proud, it's the same thing. It's the same thing. Okay guys, so I just got done blending all of this out, eating like more healthy, like, and kind of being like strict on my diet. I used to go to school. I will walk to school, to my house, to school, to my house, to school every single day. Literally lost a lot of weight. Like I was like skinny. Well, not that skinny. No, it's easy for me to like lose weight, but it's also easy for me to gain weight. My weight literally describes who I am. Like I'm very indecisive. So I just been working out at home. I love watching Mad Fit. I think that's her name. Like I used to do Chloe, but I don't really do her anymore. Let's go in with Fenty Beauty bronzer. This is how it looks. It's in Mocha Mami. So the next topic I'm going to talk about is my business called Grwm XO Beauty. Basically sell lashes, lipstick, lip gloss, and highlighter, which I'm going to show you. It's, you know, been going pretty slow. I'm a small business, so that's expected. But I've been in business since March 31st. I think that's when I started. I just launched my business. It was pretty good. Like I was actually like really happy by the response that I got. Just be very realistic in what you are going to sell out, unless like you are well known and like, yeah, you know. I just like with me, when I get bored and like doing the same thing, I was like a big business, I just want to create anything. But you know, since I'm a small one, like I can't like waste money. Support your girl's business. You guys definitely can. I just put my brand in the description. You have faith that it's eventually going to just take off. It's just good to have a positive mindset, because if you have a negative one, it's just not going to really come to life. By the way, I am using Anastasia Beverly Hills blush duo. This is like my favorite. I'm just going to use the ColourPop Bare Necessities. Going to be using dark one, this light one right here. This is like literally my go-to. Okay guys, so I just got done with my eyeshadow. I'm about to actually blend out this powder. My MAC, and this is in dark deepest. If you didn't know, I do have highlighters on my site. How they look, I know they're kind of like messy, but I've been like using them. One is in Vanilla Ice, and this is Sandy Cakes. These two bad boys. Want to grab these yourself and try it out yourself, you guys can visit Grwm XO Beauty and get you guys some because this is popping. Alright, so the last topic we are going to talk about is my goals that I want to achieve. First of all, I really want to buy myself a car. We're going to speak out in existence. I'm actually going to manifest with y'all. So I'm manifesting. Put down below the 3 goals, 2 goals, 1 goal you guys want to achieve by the end of this year. You are going to get what you want, whatever you want. I'm going to get a car. Start off with my first car. I really want to get the Honda Civic, the Honda Accord 2021, dark gray or maybe black. To have at least like 50 orders in total by the end of this year. For both of my businesses, I will have 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year as well. Guys, those are like big for me, like big milestones that I know I will achieve. So many goals this year. I feel like 2021, it's like calling my name. It's just a time. Like it really is. It's my time. It's my time. So guys, I use this NYX gloss butter and brown dip. I'm actually going to use my Fenty Beauty and Sweet Mouth on my lips to really smoothen that brown liner out. To do my lashes off camera, and then I'll come back and end this video. And yeah guys, this is the finished look. Let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed this video. I really love how this came out. If you guys want to purchase the Grwm XO highlighters, it will be in the description down below. Guys, this is the final look. I am definitely in love with this. Yeah, it's definitely like my go-to. Hope you guys enjoyed it.